We've been helping to harness the power of the sun with integrated energy solutions since 1997. Accelerate your energy goals and scale your utility projects with TrinaSolar and the new FixOrigin, a robust, reliable, and easy-to-install fixed tilt system. Optimized for efficient assembly, it features lighter, simpler, and fewer components. With uniform purlin joints and fewer screw types, the inventory for installation is streamlined. Washer-free self-locking flange bolts and nuts simplify the assembly even further. Our new Y1 bracket allows greater east-west adjustments, removing the need for additional drilling or welding and speeding up installation. Engineered for varied terrains, diverse topographies, and environmental conditions, our smart design offers greater flexibility. By increasing slope adaptability and minimizing earthworks, FixOrigin saves on installation cost and time. Adding the Vertex N modules can reduce the number of required piles per megawatt by up to 8%, further reducing earthworks. Its stability and durability have been optimized and ensured through wind tunnel tests by state-of-the-art consultants. The system features robust joints, bolts, and clamps, and is finished with a tailored corrosion coating to ensure PV plant whole life reliability. With expert local teams across Europe, we're here to support every stage of your solar project, from design, pull-out test and geotechnical analysis, engineering, manufacturing, assembly, project management, and after-sales care. A flexible supply chain with local EU-based production that guarantees faster delivery and lower cost. At TrinaSolar, we have been driving energy innovation globally since 1997. For all weather conditions, for all landscapes, for all of Europe. Learn more at TrinaSolar.com.